Ready to teach your little one how to ride a bike? It's a huge milestone, but let's be honest, it can be a bit tricky. Don't worry, with a few simple steps, you'll have them pedaling like a pro in no time. First things first, make sure your child is ready. Usually, kids between 3 and 6 years old have the strength and understanding for this. If they're younger and just not getting it, it's okay to wait a bit. Before they even hop on, let's introduce the idea of pedaling. Show them their bike, point out the seat, the pedals, and how the wheels turn. You can even turn the pedals with your hands and let them try it too. A fun game is to have them sit on a chair while you sit in front of them. Place their foot in your hand and mimic the up and down motion of pedaling. Another great exercise. Lie on the floor with them, put your feet up, and do bicycle kicks in the air together. Next, setting up the bike is crucial. Make sure it's the right size. Your child should be able to stand over the frame with their feet flat on the ground. Adjust the seat so their whole foot can comfortably rest on the pedal when it's at its lowest point. And please, safety first. A well-fitting helmet is non-negotiable. It should sit level on their forehead and be snug, but not too tight. Now, for the fun part, practice. If your child is nervous about falling, training wheels are a great starting point. Find a safe grassy area, maybe with a very gentle slope. An amazing trick for learning balance is to take the pedals off the bike completely. Let your child sit on the bike and push off with their feet, coasting down a small grassy hill. This teaches them balance without the complication of pedaling. Once they're feeling more confident, put the pedals back on. Start on flat ground. Hold the bike steady and have them put one foot on a pedal in the up position. Tell them, push down. This first push is the magic moment. Guide them to alternate their feet, pushing one down as the other comes up. You can help by holding the back of the seat and running alongside them as they get the hang of it. Let go for a few seconds at a time. There will be wobbles and maybe a tumble or tooth. Just stay positive and encouraging. Remember, this is a big adventure for them. Be patient, make it fun, and celebrate every little victory. Before you know it, you'll be struggling to keep up with them. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more parenting tips. Happy riding!